What's up everybody? On today's quick video I want to show you how to swap out your SodaStream cartridge and some hack on how you can get them cheap. So the SodaStream machines are absolutely amazing. You can go and make fizzy drinks on the fly with your bottle. Simply fill up the provided bottle by sticking it in here. Press the button. You hear that? And then it infuses the carbonation inside your drink. Eventually your cartridge will wear out. There is no battery or anything like that. You will need to swap this out. So we need to again remove this cover first. So to do that, simply pull back on here and you're gonna find cartridge. All you need to do is take this and start turning it counterclockwise, and you're gonna notice that at the very bottom there is a hole. You see that? So that is how you take out your cartridge. Boom. Now the hack is, if you look at the back, out of gas, exchange and save. So all you need to do is take this to a local store or customer service and then just give them this, take the new one, and you're gonna grab one for about 14 Canadian dollars. So a brand new one is $40. All right, so once you have swapped out your canister, remove this cap here. There is a date of expiration, of course, here, or when it was created, rather. Now we open the back by removing the cover. So all you do is you take this and you press it into this hole. Now remember, that hole will go lower. So go down and then up, and then you need to tighten this up. Put the cover on. And that's it. I will also cover this. These are little branded SodaStream drink mixes, and they actually taste just like Pepsi, but they are much more lower in sugar. You can see that there's 13 grams of sugar, for example, and 50 calories on here. So this is also something you may want to get.
Moreover, if you're really a fan of fizzy drinks, then you should also consider some of these mixed drink SodaStream products. They are much lower in sugar content and carbohydrates than if you were to buy a bottle of soda, and they have so many flavors. You will not miss the taste, and you will definitely save a lot of money.
Fill your jug with water. If you happen to have like a Pepsi or anything, you can put this in, like a little bit. Press this under, and let's test that out. There we go. So that's the video. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.